Good morning and welcome to this SMCA conference and of course this workshop. My name's Bob Willis and hopefully you can hear me nice and clearly. Just as an introduction to what's going to be happening, we are obviously starting a little bit late. However, I'll try and keep to these times and we'll have a Q&A session when we take a break. So just before we take a break, and then we'll just have a comfort break. And as you can see here, we've outlined the timings. Again, if you're online, you'll be able to send in any questions and I'll try and deal with those. But if at any time you can send in an online question, of course you can also pass a question to one of the organisers in the room. So hopefully you're going to enjoy this particular session. So a little bit about me, just as if I may, but also as an introduction to this particular session. If you'd like a copy of all of the slides plus the other material I've highlighted as available with this particular session, then all you need to do is drop me an email. So there's all the slides, the defect guides, the posters, etc. to use in your own facilities. So all that's available. All you need to do is drop me an email at a convenient moment in time.